In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hair color in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to turn any portrait or selfie into a fresh look with just a few clicks, using CapCut's built-in AI tools. First, open CapCut. You can do this on desktop or mobile. Make sure you're on a recent version and connected to the internet, since the AI features run in the cloud. From the home screen, create a new project or open the one you're working on so you can get to the editing timeline. Next, add your image. Import the photo you want to edit and place it on the timeline or canvas. For the cleanest results, choose a high-resolution picture with good lighting and clear separation between hair and background. Avoid hats or heavy shadows if you can. If needed, crop to center the face and keep the entire hair area in frame so the AI has enough detail to work with. Now, click AI Stylize. You'll find this option in the main editing tools. CapCut sometimes repositions menus, but it's typically grouped with AI or styling effects. If you don't see it at first glance, look for an AI section in the toolbar or the Effects panel. You may be prompted to sign in the first time you use AI tools. That's normal. Once the AI Stylize panel opens, choose any color you like. You'll usually see swatches or presets for different shades, from natural browns and blondes to vivid fashion colors. Pick a shade and let the preview load. If there's a strength or intensity slider, start in the middle and adjust gradually. A lower intensity can look more natural. A higher intensity pushes the color for a bold, stylized result. If you're aiming for realism, select a tone that complements your original hair. Slight shifts often blend better and avoid halos around curls or flyaways. After you've made your choice, wait for the results. Processing time varies with image size and your connection, so give it a moment. When the render finishes, zoom in and look at the hairline, edges near the ears, and wispy strands. If the color bleeds onto skin or clothing, reduce the intensity or try a slightly different shade. You can also preview a few variations by switching colors. The AI will reprocess and update the look. When you're happy with the result, you're essentially done. Do a final check at full view and close up, then save or export your project the way you normally would in CapCut. That's all it takes to change hair color with AI Stylize. Open CapCut, add your image, apply AI Stylize, pick a color, and let the AI do the rest.